How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode we have another unboxing that we have to do. Probably you know what this is. I get another one, that's for sure. This is the new mystery box from Chemical Guys, and obviously I get the gray one this time. I already opened it, couldn't wait, and we have some stickers. I have some nonsense, which I already have the big bottle, but I have another one. I have the new almost blazing banana spray wax, which I believe is pretty much the same as the old one, just different color. So I'm gonna try this limited edition one, but I believe it's just the same as this one. They know how to sell, they know how to advertise. That's the thing about Chemical Guys. I have some auto wash, applicator pads, which these ones are really large. I like these ones. I have some cream glaze, which I already have, but this one is really good. Hyper coat in a small bottle, and for the floor mats, another small one, which I already have too. And the gray bag. And just like the other one, guys, I can have all my stuff in the car, which I don't need to have another one, but why not? I like these bags because another thing that you can do, you can remove the straps on the bottom and put them on your trunk, and with these ones they're not gonna go everywhere, they're just gonna stack on your trunk. And it's really handy to have these organizer bags on your car with all your supplies. So this is the new one, that's the new addition. Now we have the red and gray. So now about the hit and run on the truck. I called the police that day when I got hit. I tried to do the report. The officer was really nice. He talked to me and he told me to fix it on my own, because if I do the claim, insurance is gonna go high. If I decide to switch insurance later on, he told me that this is gonna show up and my rate they're gonna go up. So he told me insurance is gonna take care of you, they're gonna fix it, but insurance are a scam. Premiums are gonna go up. So he told me just to fix it on my own. I was gonna take it and fix it, but right now with the virus and with everything that is going on around the world, I prefer to save some money and stay like that for now. I'm just gonna try to clean these, probably do a polish to remove these scratches. Dents right here, I'm not gonna be able to remove them, but I'm gonna keep it like that for now because I don't know what's gonna happen if we get quarantined. I wanna have some money just in case. So unfortunately they got me hit and run. We couldn't figure out who did it, but at the end, I just gonna have to wait a little bit, see if everything go back to normal. Then I'm gonna take it to a shop and get it fixed. And I was gonna do the polish right now, cleaning and polish and do everything, but it looks like it's gonna rain every day, so I might just gonna clean it. Later on, I'm gonna try to remove those scratches, do a little polish on it, and we'll see how it looks. So guys, tell me what you think about the new bag. I know they're really good, but do I need it? No. I like to have it? Yes. Now that it's clean, I'm gonna try some spray wax. There you go. It looks a lot better. Well guys, that's the little update. Wanna take this truck, get it fixed later. Hopefully everything stays good with the virus. Everything is crazy around the world. So stay safe, guys, be careful, and this is just a little update for you guys. I hope you guys have a good Sunday. Take care. See you on the next one. Peace.